I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera kit and monitor are on hand, then identify the reverse lamp positive wire and a solid chassis ground. Once done, turn the ignition to ACC so systems wake, but engine stays off. This helps test signals safely. Make sure to keep the battery disconnected if your manual suggests it, but you can often test with ACC on. You do this because tapping the reverse signal avoids running power from the fuse box and keeps installations simple and reversible. Now you route the camera video cable through the trunk grommet toward the dash, using trim removal tools to tuck it under panels. This prevents pinching and noise. Next, locate the reverse lamp wire at the tail light, then tap with a splice or soldered connection and insulate with heat shrink. This ensures a reliable signal. Make sure to ground the camera to clean, bare metal. Poor ground causes flicker and noise, so secure it with a ring terminal and a self-tapping screw for longevity. Finally, plug the video RCA into the monitor or head unit and attach the reverse trigger lead to the camera trigger input. Reconnect the battery or turn ACC on, then shift into reverse to confirm the image, alignment, and parking guides. This verifies both power and signal. Once satisfied, secure wires with zip ties, reassemble trim panels, and torque any screws. If the image is noisy or absent, check the ground, confirm the reverse wire tap, and try a different video cable or a shielded RCA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.